Morning, Asian Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a Subaru Forester 2 litre petrol. This one's 84,000 on the clock. The owner's booked this one in because actually it's just been getting a bit noisier, a bit more bass noise to the engine, been getting sluggish going up hills, having to change down a bit earlier. It's all typical symptoms of carbon build-up. This one, no major issues with it on the diagnostics, all looks pretty clear. Rain's starting to come down here. The clean on this is always interesting to do because there's a lot of bass purr in the engine on this. Creates quite a boomy exhaust on these Subaru petrols. You get through to about the 30-minute mark and then the engine goes whisper quiet and you lose the bass noise out of the engine bay. Lovely and tinny and crisp sounds, it's just purring away, and then you find the exhaust goes to a lovely burble. We're just about at that point now, so the bass note has gone out of the engine bay completely. Lovely burble out of the exhaust, and now the rain's really slinging it down. We'll get this back out on the road in about another 10 minutes.